Number 1. Please fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Blank is the state of awareness. Insomnia, psychology, consciousness, sleeping. Number 2. In what stage of sleep do dreams typically occur? A. Non-REM 1, B. Non-REM 3, C. REM sleep. Number 3. True or false? The circadian rhythm refers to our body's 24-hour clock of being awake and sleeping. True, false. Number 4. Match the types of sleep disorders with their correct definitions. Column A, 1. Insomnia, 2. Sleep apnea, 3. Narcolepsy, 4. Nightmares, 5. Sleep terrors, 6. Sleepwalking or talking. Column B, the failure to get enough sleep at night in order to feel rested the next day. A sleep disorder in which a person has trouble breathing while asleep. Sleep disruptions that occur during stage 4 of sleep involving screaming, panic, or confusion. Unpleasant dreams. A condition characterized by suddenly falling asleep or feeling very sleepy during the day. Walking or carrying out behaviors while asleep. Number 5, true or false? Not everyone dreams because the only time we dream is when we are super tired. True or false? Number 6, why do we need sleep? You may use the audio option to record your answer.